Hey guys, welcome back. This is Amy with Android Power. Today in this video I will tell you how to install themes in Android Pie in Xiaomi Mi A1. But before moving ahead, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to be our notification squad. So first let's go to system settings, about phone, and as you guys can see I am on Android Pie in my Mi A1 with security patch of January. You guys are already aware of that themes are not working after updating to Pie. As you can see guys, I have themed my Mi A1 with black background and red accent color. Even my system settings, quick setting panel, dialer and all other settings are themed. So let's start the process. Now as you guys can see, I am on stock Pie without having any theme installed on my device. So if we go to display, then device theme, there are only light and dark theme options available. Also it won't theme all of your settings. So in order to theming like me, you have to install Swift installer from the video description. So once installed, open the app and give root permissions. Now as you guys can see, it will install themes systemlessly, so it won't conflict with your modules and system. Don't worry guys, you can install OTA update even if you are rooted. If you are still wondering how, then you can watch my previous video to how to install Google Camera in Mi A1 without root and data loss. In that video I have rooted my device temporarily, so you can root your Mi A1 temporarily, and when the OTA update comes, you just need to uninstall Magix and update your device. Then you can again install Magix and install themes and Google Camera permanently. So moving to the topic, this is the interface of the app. As you can see, you just need to tap on the color and it will theme your device accordingly. So as you can see, pretty nice accent colors here. So let me choose one. If you scroll down, you can choose base theme to material or flat. Also you can choose between different backgrounds like black, grey, blue, night and others. So let me choose black one. On the bottom you can also choose the notification color to dark or white. Also you can choose between settings icon to multicolored or stock. Now we have set it up everything. Now click on the ball icon on the bottom of the right and select continue theming. Now select all the apps and settings you want to theme. Then again click on ball and continue with proceed and hit on install. It will start theming your device. Once done, you have to reboot your device. So reboot sequence has done. Now as you guys can see, device is not themed properly. So if you face this issue, just open the Swift installer APK and voila, you are done theming your device. As you guys can see, all apps and settings have themed now in my Mi A1. If you want to uninstall these themes, go to Swift installer, then install and uninstall options, then active, select all as like before and click on the ball icon and uninstall and reboot. So in this way you can install and uninstall themes in Mi A1 without having OTA issues. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.